Got that bubbly skin fry on it. That's that flan. Fried chicken, the pork barbecue, and egg noodles. And we got the rice, y'all. Hey, what's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in Jersey City, New Jersey, and Kid Manila hit us up just real recent, man, about going to Max's restaurant. He said Max's is a Filipino restaurant. He said, go check it out. Go get some of the chicken. He named some rice. It's right across the street. See it back there? Look, 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 look. Max's Cuisine of the Philippines. We going in and check it out. Let's go check it out. Let's go check out. Is it dine-in or takeout? Oh, yeah. What? We gonna get our seat here at Max's. I'm getting the egg noodles, man. I'm getting the egg noodles right there. Got that Worcester sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Oh, fried chicken, the pork barbecue, and egg noodles. And we got the rice, y'all, right there. Look at it. Wow, look how the chicken's fried. It's bubbly. Got that bubbly skin fry on it. That looks delicious. What is this? Cheese? What's this here?
It's leche flan.
Like flan?
Yeah,
oh, it's like flan.
flan.
Okay, this is like flan, y'all. That's sweet. So we're here, y'all. Check it out. Word is born at Max's, and I got this fried chicken. I got the egg noodle. I got the pork on the stick. This is gonna be the first thing I'm going for is the pork on a stick. Let's check it out. That tastes like good barbecue. I taste a little fattiness in it. Real meaty. Good and tender. I didn't want to stick myself in the tongue with that sharp. Uh-oh, I'm dripping. Wow. The sauce on here is really delicious. Nice pork on the stick. Oh, wow. I know all of my subscribers don't eat pork, but for those who do, already I'm very happy, very satisfied. Uh-oh. All right, I got a little sauce here. Let's see if this is like vinegar. Oh, man, I didn't take a picture of them veggies on that plate. That's like a vinegary. I'm gonna use that, man. First, I want y'all to see, I don't know if y'all saw the little veggies on the plate. Check out the little veggies right there. Isn't that pretty cool? All right, so far so good. I'm gonna have to go through this quick, man. I got a lot of food. Oh, I wanna go back to that pork so bad, but I gotta go through this. Okay. My brother from Manila said, try the chicken with the Worcestershire sauce and the banana sauce. All right, so I'm gonna put the Worcestershire sauce on here first, a little bit on there, and the banana sauce. Let's check this out, y'all. Let's check it out. I'm gonna just put this sauce on the side just in case I don't like it. I gotta taste a little. Y'all know once again, I'm not big on legs, but this leg looks delicious. Let me get this banana sauce off. I need to taste it first. I gotta taste the banana sauce first, y'all. Let me move these out of y'all way. Let's see. Oh, it does have, I started to say it just tastes like ketchup, but it does have like a banana taste to it. Oh, that's good. All right. Let me dig into this chicken. See, I got that chicken right there, y'all. Let's check it out. That's delicious. It's not just the banana sauce that goes good with it. They have some nice, delicious seasonings. The chicken is well seasoned. I want more. I'm gonna work on the skin a little bit with that sauce. Hear how crispy it sounds? Okay, we got a lot of skin in here with the meaty and the sauce. Wow. So look, I want to use my hands so bad I got to stop being fancy. I know we're in a restaurant, y'all, but I'm going for it. I'm going to just peel some of this off. I got all meat here, no skin. Dip it in that banana sauce. It's still crispy. Why didn't I know about this banana sauce? I do want to go back to the pork on the stick. The chicken's delicious. The pork on the stick is delicious. Let's go to the egg noodles. These are all suggestions too of the Manila Kid. All right, let me clear my palate. Ooh, that seltzer water is cold. The noodles are good. I'm gonna put some Worcestershire sauce on it. They're like basic noodles. They have scallions in it. Looks like cabbage. Let me see. Cabbage. The noodles are good, but I mean, they're like basic noodles. This Worcestershire sauce added some good flavor to it. Let's try the rice now. That's the only thing I have left. See, it's so fancy, right? I gotta pick up my food I'm dropping here. I think I was supposed to put like the food from here to that plate, but it's just me, man. This is my plate. I'm gonna eat out of it. The rice is like I like it. Remember I told you I don't like my rice too loose. It's not sticky, but it's put together. You know, it sticks together. Tastes like they had it in a rice steamer. And it tastes a little beefy. You know, like it's just a little bit of beef broth in that rice. We're gonna go back to the pork on the stick. This time we're gonna add a little of this vinegar. Hold on, let me put it here. I want y'all to see it though. Put a little, ooh, that was too much vinegar. And I'm gonna just pull it off. I would love to see how they're making these because it tastes like they probably was spinning them over fire. It tastes like they were made on a barbecue pit, man. It tastes delicious. Just this one here was $5, but this right here and the chicken alone is worth it. Y'all know I always say if I could do it again, I would have got this, still the chicken, and just the rice without the noodles. I mean, I could pick the noodles or the rice, because they both are starchy, but I don't know if the egg noodles are as starchy as regular like wheat noodles. Somebody help me out. Are egg noodles as starchy as like pasta noodles? And the flavor in that meat is a 10 on that stick, that pork stick. I'm eating another little forkful of rice. I would love to chop that pork up and put it in this rice. There's a bug trying to get to my phone, y'all. Well, I've eaten everything but the flan. So I'm gonna do that so we can end this video. The pork is the bomb. All right, let me taste the flan real quick. I'm just gonna cut a piece off. I'm not gonna eat much. Oh wow, that feel like, usually flan is a little more tender. This felt like cheesecake. I messed up, I put a little banana sauce on it. That's flan. I said I was gonna eat a little, I like this. I know some of y'all don't like flan, but I like it. I wish I had some milk with it. This is what we're gonna do. I'm putting the wrong top on the flan. This is what we're gonna do. Eat another piece of chicken. I'm gonna break it off with my fingers. I just want some of that skin. The skin is delicious. And I know somebody gonna be like, dude, the skin ain't good for you. The skin is delicious. And they fried, that grease was at the right temperature when they fried it. See this meat, man? The meat is delicious too. But I'm not a big, like, give me thick pieces of meat person. I want to put some of this sauce on it though. Let's put some banana sauce on it. There we go. Ha ha. Ha ha. That's a big piece of meat, right? The meat has a lot of flavor. It's like when my grandmother used to cook the turkey. When you cut inside her turkey, there was a lot of flavor inside, not just in the skin. There's a lot of flavor here. Well, this is your man, Matt DV, here in Jersey City, New Jersey, at Max's Philippine Cuisine Restaurant. Absolutely delicious. If you're in this area, we're gonna put the address up here. Come check them out. Also, thanks to all our subscribers. Thanks, subscribers. Thanks for all of those who support it. Thanks for all of the patrons. Big up to our patrons. We're gonna have a Patreon meetup soon, so y'all better get on patreon.com/MattDVWilliams and sign up. That's it for now, man. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. How do you guys make this, on the grill?
Yeah.
You spin it? Oh, okay.
It's marinated.
Oh, it's marinated. Yeah, it's delicious. I did. I just tried it. Yeah.
It's like pickled papaya. That's pickled papaya.
So the veggies were pickled papaya, y'all. This tastes good. I knew it had a little hint of sweetness in it too, right?
Yeah.